Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leave Microsoft's family group. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Microsoft.com. Then log into your account and click on My Microsoft account. So once you have done that, this page should be open for you. Go all the way down into here, into Family. From there, all you need to do next is simply click on these 3 points and click on the family group. This is as simple as this. You're simply gonna click right here. Now click on remove. Are you sure you want to remove yourself? Click on remove, and as you can see, now I have been removed from the family that I was in. This works both for the family owner and the normal people or the normal members of the family. So that was the guide for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. And see you guys in the next tutorial.